You and me all know that everybody is talking about this thing right there, the chat GPT. What is it exactly? Essentially, you have to go back to the time of Google search, or before that, YouTube. Yahoo. Before that, American Online, and so on. I even forgot some of them, but you get the idea. Idea is that you go to internet, you type in something on the search box, and then you type in whatever you're looking for, and you should have an answer. Just for fun, I'm gonna go to google.com. I know that you know that already, but trust me, it will clarify something. Like in this box, you say 10 titles to create viral videos. Now on YouTube, let's go ahead. And you have a lot of ideas, a lot of searches, and etc. But then you have to click it, and it's mostly about tips essentially. But if I do the same thing right now, I'm gonna copy, and in the new chat, I will just do exactly the same thing, and let's see what it gives. You see, forget about whatever it's giving you. Oh well, don't forget about it. Probably it's going to help you right now. But my point is that the difference between, let's say, a Google search, that you have tips there or ideas and so on. Here, they're literally giving you 10 titles, like literally. You can even go more precise. How about this? How about, I'm a photographer. My channel is all about photography. Now, I want to create a photography video for beginners, those who want to start photography. So I say create 10 video titles. Create 10 video titles to get 1 million views. I think I made that right. To create 10 video titles to get 1 million views on beginner photography niche. Enter. And you have 10 beginner photography tips to improve your skill instantly. The ultimate beginner guide to photography equipment gears. 5 easy photography tricks of stunning shots every time. Amazing photography transformation from beginner to pro in 10 minutes. All this, clickbaity catchphrase and all this, wow. But you get the idea. My point is that if I did the same thing, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go to Google right now and paste. And if I enter exact same thing, some of them may give you some channel ideas. Like, you have to really dig into the details, and you have to actually read between the lines. They're not really direct. Point is that you have a little bit of effort. You have to give a little bit of effort in order to extract idea for yourself. Here, on the other hand, it just gives you the answer that you're looking for. That's revolutionary because it saves you a lot of time. And now, of course, question is that if I'm doing that, that means everybody else is going to do that. So why? What is the benefit? If everybody makes exact same video of 10 beginners photography tips to improve your skills instantly, if there are hundreds of videos like that, does it matter? It does. It does because, first of all, yes, let's say the title is going to be exactly the same. Most likely the thumbnail going to be different, first of all, so you need to make sure that your thumbnail is good enough. Third thing going to keep you separate from the rest of the crowd, quality of your video. Of course, at first the YouTube algorithm going to present your video, let's say in top 10, then people are going to click it if the thumbnails are good, and then people are going to continue to watch it till end if the contents are good. So this thing will give you a good start. So there you have one less step, and then the rest is up to you. If you're good, your video is going to be good, and you might get 1 million views. And that principle applies to everything. If you have a self-help video channel, if you have anything, cooking video, you do exact same thing and that will give you same result, then it's all up to you, your thumbnail and your story. However, there's one little trick. Let's say if I change this to create 10 video titles to get 1 million views on beginner landscape, the finish, and then I save and submit, and it will change it based on the landscape niche, and you can change it to macro. Now you can use the same thing. Instead of asking globally, you can curate your questions. Let's say if you I don't know, let's guess that you're looking for cooking video. Now you can target a niche market. Let's say if you are homemade cooking or vegan things that can be done in the garden, you can put those words in the search box, and then that will curate at least 10 result. It's pretty much fantastic. And now here's the fun part. If I take, let's say, if I do that, let's say if I take this line, 5 easy tips for improving. However, not just to create titles, but the step by step. Let's say create video scripts for beginners photography tips to get 1 million views. I don't know what it's gonna give me. I'm just gonna try it out. So it's basically creating a script for me. Like it's giving me an intro, even giving me the 10 tips. I mean, this is revolutionary. So tip number 1, if you are big photography, this is your chance. Beginner photography tips, 10 essential techniques to get started. You have an intro. Hi, welcome to our beginner guides to photography, yada, yada. And then tips number 1 is that learn the basics of your camera. 2, patience. 3, pay attention to the lighting. 4, composition is the key. 5, get close to your subject. 6, experiment with different angles. Use the right lens for the job. Edit your photos. Learn from other photographer, and definitely have fun. Pretty much it. So not only you can create titles, it will help you to create scripts. Now you can copy and paste the whole thing and then move on, or you can curate in your own style. Let's say learn the basic of your camera. Now we have a human touch, so you can present in your own style. You don't have to copy and paste the whole thing. Trust me, world of photography, everybody do the repetition all the time, even before the artificial intelligence. So it just makes your life a lot easier. That's it. So this is what some of the things that GPT can do to improve your YouTube views, improve your qualities, and get some ideas. Now, that for me, my friend, is crazy revolutionary, and I'm personally going to use it quite a lot to get some ideas, and I hope that it will help you to do the same. I will wish you good luck for a future endeavor on YouTube journey or anything that you're doing to be an entrepreneur. Let it be podcast, let it be writer, let it be anything. I wish you all the very best. That's all. Look after yourself, and bye-bye. And before you go, click in the links in the description below. Those will help me to continue my project. And that's all for me, and bye-bye.